Siyanikela. Welcome people. As you can see, this is a sitting or dining room. As you can see, it's very spacious. It's very big, suitable for a family. This is a great investment opportunity. And Nangapa, as you can see, so it's a very great investment opportunity. So if you are looking for an opportunity, and if you are looking for an investment opportunity, look no further. Don't land the kitchen. I think that is the starting point. The kitchen is very important. The kitchen, as you can see, it's another dining room, sitting room. Okay, as you can see, now the kitchen with built-ins. So, you don't need to rate. If you move, you can also come this side. As you can see, this is off like an open plane of some kind, as you can see now. So it's very big, cool. So if you put in your Nancy, follow me, says now, it's a 3-bedroom house, as you can see. We've got the first room up, as you this morning. Now with the buildings, as you can see, we've got the built-ins. So this is room number one. Then we are moving to room number 2. As you can see, now room number 2. Then we've got the bathroom. On this side. As you can see, it's very spacious. We've got a wonderful washing machine. So you are able to connect your washing machine. It's on point. Then lastly, this is our main bedroom in an NSUTI. As you can see, there is some built-ins. As you can see, this is your house. So and see, so it's very big, as you can see. It's very big, as you can see. Masiye kitchen, then see valley video. So as you can see, very beautiful. Please, for more information, visit us, Simpio Molefe Properties. That is our name, Simpio Molefe Properties. We are based in East London, number 25 Darlington Street in Berea. Our phone number is 043 721 0351 043 721. Also alternative number here, which is our emergency number, 073 27 12 589. Feel free to visit our offices. Thank you for your time. We love you.